Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about how to expand and simplify quadratic expressions. So what is the difference between quadratic and a simple linear expression? Linear expression, we are having only power of 1 for all variables, but in quadratic expressions the powers can be different. So let me write down question number 1 of exercise 3a we are going to solve. So there are total 6 parts in these questions. So let me tell you how we are going to solve it. Expand is, you already know that expand is opening of bracket, and simplify means combining the like terms. So there are two words in this topic: expand, simplify. Expand means opening of bracket, and simplify means combine the like terms. So now what are the like terms? When we were solving questions of linear algebra, I told you that like terms are when there are same variables in a term, like 3x is same as 5x. They are both like terms. But 3x and 5y, they are not like terms. So but we are dealing with quadratic expression this time. So in quadratic expression, not only the variables should be same in a term, but also the powers must be same. So like 3x and let's say 5x square, they are not like terms. You cannot combine them. Please remember this. So for a quadratic expression, to combine the terms, we need to have the same variables in the term as well as the same power. So here the variable is x, but the power of x here is 1 and the power of x here is 2. So we cannot combine them. But if it is 9x square and 5x square, so yes, they are like terms because they are same variable, which is x, and their power is also same. So this time we are changing the definition of like terms a bit. Please remember that and recognize the like terms very carefully. So we are going to solve A part first. Let me write it for you. A part of this question is 6x square plus 19 plus 9x square minus 8. So you can see there are total 4 terms in this expression, and it is a quadratic expression because x is having power of 2. So there are two groups we can make. These two are like terms because the variable as well as the power is same, and these are like terms because they are both constant terms. So let's write them together. 6x square plus 9x square. When you are solving difficult question or lengthy question, you can skip this step where we write the terms together. You can just highlight them and you can solve them mentally, but it is a good practice to write the like terms together before combining them. So now you can see it's plus 6 plus 9, so it is 15x square plus 19 minus 8. Operation will be minus and the sign of the bigger number will come, so it will be plus 11. This is your answer. So now I am going to solve, let's say, F part. F part is minus 1 minus 7y plus 8y square plus 2y square minus 3y minus 1. This is the F part, last part of this question. So you can see that there are total 6 terms. So the two constant terms, I am highlighting them. This one is constant, here is this minus 1 constant. Then we have y terms on both sides, and then there is y square terms also. So total 6 terms we will have, after expanding, obviously, because there are two brackets as well. So the first step is expanding, then we will get the 6 terms and we will combine them together. So there is a minus sign outside this bracket, so all the discs inside will be flipped. So you can see there are 3 discs. One is this plus 1 minus 7y, and third one is plus 8y square. So I will flip all the discs. This will be minus 1 plus 7y minus 8y square. So now when we are going to open this bracket, there is only plus 2 outside, so discs will not be flipped, but this 2 will be multiplied with all the terms inside. So plus 2y square minus 2 into 3 is 6y minus 2. So this is how you multiply. So now I'm writing the like terms together. So minus 1, so then there is minus 2 as well, minus 2 plus 7y. So please be careful while you are moving the terms, move the sign as well. Like this term is having plus sign, but this is having minus sign. So I will not only move the term, but I will also move the sign. So this time we are having 3 things inside one term. One is the sign, one is the coefficient, and one is the variable and its power as well. So minus 8y square, very carefully, don't ever change the sign. So after writing, you can quickly check as well that was there any mistake. This was minus 1, minus 2, so both are fine. Plus 7y, minus 6y, both are fine. Minus 8y square and plus 2y square, both are fine. So now I can combine. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Please remember, they are not multiplied together. It's a very common misconception. Whenever you say minus 1 minus 2, so we quickly get to the answer, oh, it will be plus 2, because we multiply instead of adding them together. So then there's plus 7y minus 6y, it will be plus y. And then lastly, there will be minus 8y square plus 2y square, so it will be minus 6y square. 8 minus 2 is 6, and they are unlike terms, so the operation will be, so this is your answer. You have expanded as well as you have simplified. So now the rest of the question, this was the question we were solving. So I hope there will not be any problem in the rest of the parts. Please practice them and find out the answers. If you are stuck anywhere during the solution, please tell me in the comment section. You can ask me any query, so you can upload a screenshot as well if it is easy. So that's all for today's video, everyone. Please solve the rest of the parts on your own and practice them on your notebook. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.